When we solve a radical equation such as this one, I still need to isolate my square root. So to isolate the square root of 5x subtract 19, I need to subtract 3 to both sides of my equation. So that's going to leave me with the square root of 5x subtract 19 equal to x subtract 3. My square root is now isolated, so I'm going to raise it to an exponent equal to its index, so both sides will receive an exponent of 2. On the left side, my square root is going to cancel, leaving me with a 5x subtract 19. On my right side, though, I have a binomial squared. When I have a binomial squared, that means I have to duplicate the term in FOIL. So x times x will give me an x squared. X times a negative 3 will give me a negative 3x. Negative 3 times x is a negative 3x. And negative 3 times a negative 3 is a positive 9. I need to combine my like terms on the right side of my equation. So I'm going to have x squared subtract 6x plus 9. Since I have an x squared term, I need to move all of my terms to the right side of the equation so it will equal 0. So I'm going to subtract the 5x and I'm going to add the 19. So I will end up with the equation x squared subtract 11x plus 28 equal to 0. Now I can factor this expression, so I'm looking for factors of a positive 28 that will add up to a negative 11, and that will be a x subtract 7 and an x subtract 4. Now I will set both of these equal to 0 in solve. I get two answers, x equal to positive 7 and x equal to positive 4. So I do need to check these two answers to see if one of them may be extraneous. So I'll start with the 7. So I'm going to have 3 plus the square root of 5 times 7 subtract 19 equal to 7. So I start with the square root. 5 times 7 is a 35. 35 subtract 19 will give me the square root of 16. I need to take the square root of 16 to give me a 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 checks out. Now I need to do the same process with 4. So I'm going to take 3 plus the square root of 5 times 4, subtract 19, equal to 4. 5 times 4 is a 20. 20 subtract 19 will give me the square root of 1. The square root of 1 is 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So both of my solutions checked